Korean citizens can stay in Vietnam with visa-free for 45 days. But what if your trip is longer or you need to multiple entry visa? Here's how to apply the Vietnam eVisa in 2026 the right way. Hello everyone, my name is Ping and today I will show you how to apply the Vietnam eVisa in 2026. First, let's quickly go over the basic. Currently, Vietnam offers a visa exemption for Korean citizens for up to 45 days. However, if you have a plan to stay longer, re-enter Vietnam, or want to a smoother and more flexible travel plan, applying for an e-visa is the better choice. The Vietnam e-visa is issued online by Immigration Department and valid for up to 90 days with single or multiple entries. It's designed for travelers who are outside Vietnam and want a simple, fully online application process, no embassy visits, no paperwork hassle. And in the next part, I will show you exactly how to apply an e-visa. To apply for a Vietnam e-visa, you will go through three main steps. Step 1. Prepare your documents and information. Step 2. Submit your application online and pay the fee. Step 3. Check your result, handle any additional requests, and download your e-visa. Now, let's go into each step in detail. First, step 1. Prepare your documents. It's actually very simple. You only need two main things. A passport photo file size under 2 MP, white background, front facing, and clear face. And your passport must be valid for more than 1 month. The photo of the passport page must be clear, not blurry, no glare, no missing corners, and must show the full barcode at the bottom. Besides that, prepare some basic information in advance like personal details, travel purpose, travel history, itinerary. This helps you fill out the form most accurately. Step 2. Apply online. First, access the eVisa service. Go out our website evisa.vnhub.com. On the landing page, select your nationality from the For Citizen of drop-down menu and your destination. And finally, click the Get Started button. Next, select Service Information. In this section, you define the type of visa you need and service type. Choose your desired visa duration and entry type. Service details, select the processing time that fits your schedule. Next, review the overview panel on the right to see the total cost. And you can also check the document to prepare tab at the bottom to ensure you have everything ready. And finally, click Continue. Then, provide applicant information. Carefully fill in your personal and passport details. And next, upload photos. Upload a high-quality portrait photo and a clear scan of your passport photo page. Next, full name. Enter your last name and first name exactly as they appear on your passport. Gender and DOP. Select your gender and your date of birth. Passport details. Enter your passport number, passport expiry date, and select your passport type, usually ordinary passport. Once all fields are filled, click Continue. After that, review and confirm. A summary page will appear. Review all information carefully, as errors can lead to visa rejection. Verify your personal info like name, gender, and nationality, and trip info like visa type, processing speed. If everything is correct, click Continue and Payment. Next, Payment. Choose payment method. Select your preferred method. In this video, PayPal is selected. Click Continue with PayPal. The system will show a breakdown of costs, including the order payment and the PayPal fee. Click Pay with PayPal to redirect it to secure payment gateway. And finally, completion. Once the payment is processed, you will see a payment successful message. You can now click Go to Order Detail to track the status of your applications. And you will receive email update from us within 24 hours. And we'll notify you via email if any additional documents are required. And you can also check your application status using your application code on the website. Once your e-visa is approved, print a copy to present open entry. Also keep a PDF version on your phone or email as backup. And that's it. I have just walked you through the full process of applying for Vietnam eVisa step by step. Good luck! If you found this video helpful, make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details that could use up time and trouble. And if you need support with your Vietnam eVisa, whether checking your application, avoiding mistakes, or exploring better visa options like business or work, feel free to reach out for our guidance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any useful update for Vietnam visa and travel tips for international visitors. Goodbye!